Okay, I am doing an experiment where I am walking down the dock to see how close the cormorant and the seagulls will let me get. Because, I was raised in the New York area where pigeons acclimate themselves. Oh, really? Already? Okay, well, the pigeons of New York cannot give a flying F how close you get. So I want to see if these guys have the level of chutzpah and courage these seagulls have. Oh yeah, there's the cormorant. There she goes. But the seagulls remain. And if they pooped everywhere too. They do not care at all. Oh my god, they don't care. They don't care. Oh look, that one got a little, oh, that one just moved a little bit. That one's upset. Hi, seagulls. Do you guys want to be my friends? Should I give you names? Hi. Oh yeah, just go. Oh yeah, that one's going. Okay, bye. Thanks for